Hey there, all you visionary creators and aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey that will take us deep into the heart of the thriving world of software as a service, or SaaS. We're not just here to scratch the surface, we're diving headfirst into the strategies, insights, and insider secrets that will transform your ambitions into tangible successes in the dynamic landscape of 2023. If you're ready to dive into the exciting realm of making money with SaaS, buckle up, because this video is your compass to understanding every facet of this transformative business model. Imagine this, a digital business venture that not only generates passive income while you sleep but also empowers you to scale your efforts to unimaginable heights. If that sounds like a distant dream, get ready for a revelation, because I'm about to unveil the incredible potential of SaaS and show you how it can be your gateway to financial freedom. Whether you're a tech whiz with a knack for coding, a creative guru bursting with innovative ideas, or someone with a burning desire to shape your own destiny, the strategies I'm about to unveil will not only inspire you but also guide you on the path to sustainable success tailored to your ambitions. But before we jump into the details, let's take a moment to understand why SaaS is the reigning trend of the business world in 2023. With its ability to keep operational costs low, its unparalleled flexibility, and the potential for exponential growth, SaaS is nothing short of a game-changer. Picture it as possessing a digital vault of opportunities that rewards innovation, prioritizes customer needs, and thrives on delivering solutions ahead of their time. Now, let's dive deep into the captivating world of SaaS models that are shaping the landscape. We'll delve into the intricacies of subscription-based models, unlock the mysteries of usage-based models, and unravel the power of the freemium approach. Each model presents its own array of opportunities and challenges, and by the time we're done, you'll not only grasp these models but also discover how to strategically harness them to your advantage. Are you ready to roll up your sleeves and embark on the journey of creating your own SaaS business? We'll navigate through the inception phase, where ideas spark to life. We'll delve into the art of comprehensive market research, understand your target audience inside out, and identify their unmet needs. We'll then immerse ourselves in the exciting process of constructing a robust minimum viable product, MVP, ensuring your creation resonates deeply with your audience. Finally, we'll walk the exhilarating path of launching your product, poised to conquer the market. By the end of this segment, you'll not only have a roadmap but a blueprint for establishing a rock-solid foundation for your SaaS success story. But remember, building the product is only half the battle. Marketing is the force that propels your creation into the limelight. In this segment, we're not just skimming the surface, we're diving deep into a treasure trove of marketing strategies that can elevate your product from obscurity to recognition. We'll delve into the power of content marketing, tap into the potential of engaging on social media platforms, explore the realm of strategic partnerships, and even unveil the potential of collaborating with influencers. Your SaaS product isn't just a creation, it's a story waiting to be shared, and I'm here to guide you on how to tell it brilliantly. Now, let's transition from knowledge to action. If you're truly committed to harnessing the potential of SaaS in 2023, then it's time to take that monumental first step. Start brainstorming your SaaS idea today, because in a landscape that thrives on innovation, it's those who dare to innovate that ultimately flourish. As we approach the conclusion of this comprehensive journey, let's emphasize the power of continuous learning. The world of SaaS is in a perpetual state of transformation, a dynamic universe of evolving trends and emerging technologies. Whether you're diving into coding, refining your UI/UX design skills, mastering the art of targeted marketing, or immersing yourself in any other aspect of this exciting landscape, remember, your commitment to ongoing learning will be your guiding light in an ever-changing environment. But I don't want this to be a one-way conversation. I want it to be a vibrant dialogue. Share your thoughts, insights, and questions in the comments below. Are you excited to journey into the dynamic world of SaaS? Have you already begun shaping your SaaS concept? Let's unite as a community of like-minded individuals, all on a journey toward becoming successful SaaS entrepreneurs. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening expedition into the realm of SaaS in 2023. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to show your support by hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing for more content that ignites your entrepreneurial spirit. Remember, The future is an expansive canvas awaiting your strokes of innovation, and SaaS might just be the palette you need to paint your financial success story. Until we meet again, keep dreaming big, keep taking action, and keep shaping your destiny. Catch you in the next video.